Consider the expression y squared raised to the power 3. This, in factored form, results in a y to the second times y to the second times y to the second. Each of those breaks down into the factored form of y times y. And what we have is the same base multiplied together, which can be simplified into exponential form of y to the 2 4/6 power. Similarly, we have 7 to the 4th power taken to the 2nd power, which means we're going to take that quantity times itself twice. 7 to the 4th power means the base of 7 multiplied by itself 4 times. And again, for this second term, we now have an expanded representation of this exponential notation that we started with, where we have common bases all multiplied together. Putting it back into exponential notation, we have 7 to the 2 4/6 8th power. If you notice, we get the same result if we multiply exponents. 2 times 3 gives us 6. 4 times 2 gives us 8. This is what we call the power rule. For any number a and any whole numbers m and n, it holds that if you have an exponent raised to a power, you can simplify by multiplying those exponents together. Here, applying that rule, we have a base raised to a power, and using the power rule, we will multiply 3 times 5 for an equivalent simplified version of that base m to the 15th power. Likewise, regardless whether the base is a variable or some number, we have that base raised to a power and that raised to a power, which means from the power rule, we can multiply those exponents and leave the base unchanged. Simplified equivalent value then will be the base 3 raised to the 5 times 4 or 20th power.